Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, dear students around the world. Welcome to your new channel of English YouTube classes, English Pronunciation Course, Lesson 27. English Pronunciation Course with Moroccan tutor Hassane, Lesson 27. The phonetic sound we are going to study today is ow, the same like the previous lesson 27, but with different letters. Let's see. Pronunciation practice. Practice your pronunciation. Enjoy pronouncing words. Let's enjoy pronouncing words together. Let's have fun pronouncing English words. By the end of this pronunciation lesson 27, you'll have practiced and focused mainly on the pronunciation of the phonetic sound ow, ow, ow. The sound ow is generally present in words that have the letters O and U. But as I always do, I should remind you that not all the words that have OU in English are pronounced ow. Sometimes they are pronounced ah. Sometimes are pronounced in different ways. So today, in this lesson, I gathered the words in which we have OU and it's pronounced ow. I hope this is very clear from the very beginning. So let's see the first words that have OU and is pronounced ow. The first word is ounce, ounce. The second word, pounce, pounce. Let's repeat after me. So as I always say to you, in pronunciation lessons, you should repeat after me because it's for you. This lesson is for you. So to practice pronunciation to improve your spoken English. Let's repeat after me. Ounce, ounce. The second word, pounce, pounce. Let's go to the second slide. The first word is hour, hour. The second word, hours, hours. Let's repeat after me the first word, hour, hour. The second word, hours, hours. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is ourselves, ourselves. The second word, grouch, grouch. Let's repeat after me the first word, ourselves, ourselves. The second word, grouch, grouch. Let's continue. The first word is hour. So the H here is silent. So it is pronounced like hour. So O-U-R. So the same pronunciation. Hour, hour. The second word, sorry, hours, hours. Let's repeat after me the first word, hour, hour. The second word, hours, hours. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is out, out. The second word, outer, outer. Let's repeat after me the first word, out, out. The second word, outer, outer. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is outlet, outlet. The second one, outset, outset. Let's repeat after me the first one, outlet, outlet. The second one, outset, outset. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is abound, abound. The second word, around, around. Let's repeat after me the first word. Abound, abound. The second word. Around, around. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is about, about. The second word is scout, scout. Let's repeat after me the first word. About, about. The second word, scout, scout. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is amount, amount. The second word is county, county. Let's repeat after me the first word. Amount, amount. The second word, county, county. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is announce, announce. The second word, denounce, denounce. Let's repeat after me the first word. Announce, announce. The second word, denounce, denounce. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is bound, bound. The second word, hound, hound. Let's repeat after me the first word. Bound, bound. The second word, hound, hound. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is cloud. Some students pronounce it cloud. No, it's cloud. And the second word is pronounced clouds. Some students pronounce it clouds. No, it's not clouds, it's clouds. Clouds. Let's repeat after me the first word. Cloud, cloud. The second word, clouds, clouds. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is cloudless, cloudless. The second word is cloudy, cloudy. Let's repeat after me the first word. Cloudless, cloudless. The second one, cloudy, cloudy. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is couch. It's not coach, it's couch, couch. The second word, pouch, pouch. Let's repeat after me the first word. Couch, couch. The second word, pouch, pouch. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is count, count. The second word, uncount, uncount. Let's repeat after me the first one. Count, count. The second one, uncount, uncount. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is counselor, counselor. The second one, countless, countless. Let's repeat after me the first word. Counselor, counselor. The second word, countless, countless. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is counsel, counsel. The second word, foundling, foundling. Let's repeat after me the first word. Counsel, counsel. The second word, foundling, foundling. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is discount, discount. The second word, mountain, mountain. Let's repeat after me the first word. Discount, discount. The second word, mountain, mountain. Let's go to the next slide. The first word, we have the letter B silent. Some students pronounce it doubt. It's not doubt, so it's doubt. Doubt. The second word, doubts. Doubts. Let's repeat after me the first word. Doubt. Doubt. The second word, doubts. Doubts. Let's go to the next slide. The first word, doubtful. Doubtful. The second word, doubtless. Doubtless. Let's repeat after me the first word, doubtful. Doubtful. The second word, doubtless. Doubtless. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is a verb, so we can consider it as the past of find, but here it's the same, found, but here it's a verb, the verb found. So to found a school, it means to establish a school, to set up a school. So here it's a verb, it's not the past of find, so it's the verb found. So found, found. And the present simple with he, she, it, founds. Founds. Let's repeat after me the first one. Found. Found. The second one. Founds. Founds. Let's go to the next slide. So the same verb found in the past. Founded. Founded. And the present participle, so verb plus ing, founding. Founding. Let's repeat after me the first word. Founded. Founded. The second word. Founding. Founding. Let's go to the next slide. The same, we are dealing with the same verb. Now it's the noun. Foundation. Foundation. The second word. Founder. Founder. Let's repeat after me the first one. Foundation. Foundation. The second word. Founder. Founder. Let's continue. The first word is found. Found. The second word, fountain. Fountain. Let's repeat after me the first word. Found. Found. The second word, fountain. Fountain. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is ground. Ground. The second word, round. Round. Let's repeat after me the first word. Ground. Ground. The second word, round. Round. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is hangout. Hangout. The second word, handout. Handout. Let's repeat after me the first word. Hangout. Hangout. The second word, handout. Handout. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is house. It's very easy. House. But the plural, there is a problem. Many students and many teachers, they pronounce it houses. So, but the correct pronunciation is houses. Houses. So let's repeat after me the first word. House. House. The plural, houses. Houses. Let's go to the next slide. The next slide is also some students and teachers, they pronounce it housing, but it's housing. Housing. And the next word, the second word, is mouse. Mouse. Let's repeat after me the first word. Housing. Housing. The second word, mouse. Mouse. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is loud. Loud. The second word, loudly, loudly. Let's repeat after me the first word, loud, loud. The second word, loudly, loudly. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is lounge, lounge. The second word, spouse, spouse. Some students pronounce it spouse. No, it's spouse. Let's repeat after me the first word, lounge, lounge. The second word, spouse, spouse. Let's continue. The first word is louse, louse. But when we add a Y to this word, we pronounce it lousy, lousy. Not lousy, so it's lousy. Let's repeat after me the first word, louse, louse. The second word, lousy, lousy. Let's continue. The first word is lout, lout. The second word, loutish, loutish. Let's repeat after me the first word, lout, lout. The second word, loutish, loutish. Let's continue. The first word is mouth, mouth. The second word, south, south. Let's repeat after me the first word, mouth, mouth. The second word, south, south. Let's continue. The first word is pound, pound. The second word, pounds, pounds. Let's repeat after me the first word, pound, pound. The second word, pounds, pounds. The first word is proud, proud. The second word, proudly, proudly. Let's repeat after me the first word, proud, proud. The second word, proudly, proudly. Let's continue. The first word is sound, sound. The second word, sounds, sounds. Let's repeat after me the first word, sound, sound. The second word, sounds, sounds. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is sour, sour. The second word, sourly, sourly. Let's repeat after me the first word, sour, sour. The second word, sourly, sourly. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is shout, shout. The second word, shouts, shouts. Let's repeat after me the first word, shout, shout. The second word, shouts, shouts. Let's continue. The first word, stout, stout. The second word, rouse, rouse. Let's repeat after me the first word, stout, stout. The second word, rouse, rouse. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is shroud, shroud. The second word, sprout, sprout. Let's repeat after me the first word, shroud, shroud. The second word, sprout, sprout. Let's continue. The first word is thousand, thousand. The second word, thousands, thousands. Let's repeat after me the first word, thousand, thousand. The second word, thousands, thousands. Let's continue. The first word is pronounce, pronounce. The second word is housework, housework. Let's repeat after me the first word, pronounce, pronounce. The second word, housework, housework. That's the end of this pronunciation lesson 27. Until then, see you soon in lesson 28 on our two YouTube channels, House School Hassane and House College Hassane. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like for the video, subscribe to our channel and activate the bell to get new videos. Thank you. Goodbye and good luck.